Math problems solutions of Standard 5. Question number 1. At a party, there are 10 people. If every person shakes hands with every other person exactly once, how many handshakes take place in total? Answer: the handshake problem. If there are 10 people, person 1 shakes hands with 9 others. Person 2 also shakes hands with 9, but we already counted their shake with person 1. This is the sum of 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. For n people, the total is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. 10 into 9 divided by 2, 45. Answer: 45. Question number 2. You and a friend play a game with 21 matches. You can take 1, 2, or 3 matches on your turn. The person who takes the last match wins. If you go first, how many matches should you take to guarantee a win? Answer: the game of 21 matches. This is a classic name game. To win, you want to leave your opponent in a losing position. In this game, where you can take 1, 2, or 3, the losing positions are multiples of 4, 1 plus 3. If you leave them with 4, no matter what they take, 1, 2, or 3, you can take the rest to guarantee a win. You want to leave them with 20, 16, 12, 8, and 4. Since there are 21 matches, take one match on your first turn. This leaves them with 20. Answer 1. Question number 3. An 8 into 8 checkerboard has two opposite corner squares removed, leaving 62 squares. Can you cover the remaining board perfectly with 31 dominoes? 2 into 1 rectangles. The mutilated checkerboard Answer. A standard 8x8 board has 32 white squares and 32 black squares. The parity trap. Opposite corners on a checkerboard are always the same color. If you remove two opposite corners, say two black ones, you are left with 32 white squares, but only 30 black squares. Each domino must cover exactly one white and one black square. Since the counts are not equal, you can never cover the board perfectly. Answer. No, because of parity. Question number 4. 5 people are sitting at a circular table. How many unique ways can they be seated? Note. Rotations are considered the same arrangement. Answer. Circular seating. In a straight line, 5 people can sit in 5 is equal to 120 ways. In a circle, rotations are the same. A, B, C, D, E is the same as B, C, D, E, A because everyone still has the same neighbors. To fix this, we freeze one person in place and only arrange the other 4. Calculation. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24. Answer 24. Question number 5. What is the maximum number of regions a flat pizza can be divided into using only 4 straight vertical cuts? Answer. Maximum pizza regions. This is called the lazy caterers sequence. 1 cut is 2 regions, 2 cuts 4 regions, 3 cuts 7 regions. The third cut crosses the first 2. For n cuts, the maximum regions are n square plus n plus 2 divided by 2. Calculation. For 4 cuts, 4 square plus 4 plus 2 divided by 2. 16 plus 4 plus 2 divided by 2. 22 by 2 is 11. Answer 11. Question number 6. A drawer has socks of 10 different colors. What is the minimum number of socks you must pull out to be 100% sure you have at least 4 socks of the same color? Answer. the giant sock drawer. You want 4 of a kind. This is the pigeonhole principle at its most extreme. Worst case scenario, you will pull 3 red, 3 blue, 3 green all the way through 10 colors. Calculation: 10 colors into 3 socks each, 30 socks. The guarantee: the 31st sock must be the 4th one for one of those colors. Answer 31. Question number 7. A mystery number divided by 3 leaves a remainder of 2. The same number divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 3. What is the smallest such positive number? Answer: the double remainder. We need a number x where x is 3 into something plus 2, x is 5 into something plus 3. The search list multiples of 5 plus 3. 3, 8, 13, 18, 23. Test: does 8 work for the first rule? 8 divided by 3 is 2 with a remainder of 2. Yes. Answer 8. Question number 8. A boat travels 24 km downstream with the current in 2 hours. It takes 4 hours to travel the same 24 km upstream against the current. What is the speed of the current? Answer: the speeding boat speed downstream 24 km divided by 2 hours, 12 km per hour. Speed upstream 24 km divided by 4 hours is 6 km per hour. The current speed is half the difference between downstream and upstream speeds. Calculation: 12 minus 6 divided by 2, 3 km per hour. The boat speed in still water is 9 km per hour. Answer: 3 km per hour. Thank you.